Hola Jeans, Eh, mi nombre es Miguel, espero que te acuerdes. Voy a hacerte un pequeño video de cómo insertar imágenes en Word. Entonces, supongamos que tú tienes un trabajo en Word, por ejemplo ¿sí? Tú estás hablando de algo en especial, por ejemplo, Colombia. Colombia es reconocida a nivel mundial por la producción de café suave, flores, esmeraldas, carbón y petróleo, su diversidad cultural y por ser el segundo de los países más ricos en biodiversidad del mundo. Bueno, entonces tú quieres insertar una imagen acá, pero ¿cómo lo haces? Entonces, hay varias formas. Entonces, la primera es si tú tienes de pronto la imagen. Entonces, si tú tienes la imagen, tú puedes ir aquí a mis imágenes, ¿sí? Tú dices, yo quiero insertar esta imagen, ¿cierto? Entonces, ¿cómo? Entonces, tú la puedes dar clic derecho sobre la imagen y luego te vas donde dice copiar, ¿sí? Luego te vas donde la quieres pegar, le das clic derecho y le dices pegar. Pegar, es esta, ¿sí? Y ya queda lista ahí completica para que insertes la imagen. La puedes entrar si quieres, ¿cierto? O acá, a ver, si tú te vas a insertar, no, acá. Listo, y ya, eso es todo. Ahora, si tú no tienes la imagen, entonces tú puedes ir al navegador de internet y acá colocas, por ejemplo, la imagen que tú quieras, Colombia, ¿sí? Y le das enter. Y tú puedes ir acá donde dice imágenes, ¿cierto? Entonces ahí tú ves las imágenes de Colombia, pa, pa, pa. Entonces tú quieres esta, tú puedes darle clic derecho, le dices copiar imagen y luego abres el documento de Word y le das lo mismo. Le puedes dar control B, clic derecho, pegar, ¿sí? Está. Y lo centras. O con las teclas sería control más C es igual a copy. Y sería igual, control B sería igual a paste. Entonces, vamos a hacerla. Hagamos la prueba. Acá. Ahora, presiono control C. Luego me voy aquí abajo, presiono control B. ¿Ves? Ahí está. Pues ahí lo tienes. Now I'm going to try to say that the same, but in English for you. I hope that it can help you. Okay. Hey Jens, this is Michael and now I'm going to show you how can you put an image in a document of Word like my last uh, video that I do for you. Video no, audio listen for you. Okay, suppose that you have uh, some whatever work here, for example in Microsoft Word. You are talking about Colombia, yeah, and you have whatever topic here, yeah. Now you need to put an image here, the letter of the headline, bueno, después del título. You want to put an image. There are um, some forms to do it. Yeah, the first is that if you have the image in your computer, maybe if you are taking that in a camera or something sent you by email or something like that, you have the image. For example, if you go to the images, for example, you have this. Now you have this the image, but you need in your document. Entonces, uh, well, you have to select with the left button in the mouse, then with the right you go to this copy. Yes, now you right click over the image and then go to copy. Now that you have to copy the image, you go to your work. Now you select the place where you want to put the image. Now you put right click again and go with paste option. It could be different in other program, but it's the same. Yeah, now you can center the image or whatever you want. Yeah, now you have the image here in your work. Yeah, now what happens if you don't have the image in your computer? Now it's simple. You can go to internet. For example, go to Google, and in Google you can type the topic that you are talking about. For example, Colombia. Yeah, and now is the topic. You go to images for looking. Now in images you short images. Now you explore all the images and you say, oh, I like that. Now you can select with right click and copy the image. Go to the copy image. Now here. Now you have one image copy. Then you go to your program and you put okay, again you can paste the image with the right click and go to a page option. Yeah, now you have the image here. Now you can center. Yeah, and you have the image. And other form that you can do it but not using the mouse, and you can use the keyboard. Yeah, and that is the topic. You can use the keys or of your keyboard for do it. For example, if you press Control plus C, the key C, that is equal a copy. For example, you go to this image or in whatever you select. Now you press the key Control and Z. Now you go whatever you want and you copy, and now you press the key Control and now the key V, and the image is paste. Now the other topic is the key C T A R I C T L C T R L plus V. This will be a paste. Now it's the same that you can do with your mouse, but here is with the keyboard. Select Control C. Now you come here, Control B, Control B, Control B, Control B, Control B. I'm doing that with my keyboard. Yeah, of course. Now you can do it by the mouse or with the keyboard. I hope that it could be good for you. I'm sorry but for my English, but I'm not trying to say you my speaking language, but I just want that you know how to do this